I'm really pleased to welcome you to our 2023 Global Air and Space Chiefs Conference at the Institution of Engineering and Technology in central London on Wednesday the 12th and Thursday the 13th of July. This key engagement event provides us with an invaluable opportunity to work together to address the significant security challenges facing our forces and nations, and to consider how we can meet these challenges as air and space power allies and partners. Our air and space power remains decisive in maintaining our global situational awareness, deterring aggression, and as the first responder and force multiplier for our nations. As we examine the threats posed to international peace and stability across the Euro-Atlantic and Indo-Pacific regions, we'll have to rely upon the speed, reach, precision, agility, and if required, the lethality of our air and space capabilities. We will also consider the impact of technological change on our current and future capabilities, and of being able to sustain them credibly within a world that is changing increasingly. What is certain is that we must face these challenges together, which is why I very much look forward to meeting you in London. Thank you.